In this example, we have a 100-year-old machine shop where the concrete has never been cleaned. Note the corner on the right has not been cleaned. It's layered with oil and grease. Oxycrete's system starts with cleaning the concrete to raw. We remove the grease and oil in the first step of applying the Oxycrete solutions to restore your concrete to like new. It's critical that all surface debris, dirt, grime, oil grease, and sealers of any nature be completely removed before we apply the primer, CPR Atomizer 1. The concrete must be cleaned to bare concrete. Our cleaning solution, OXO Super Clean, easily removes the oil and grease and acts as a poultice. With agitation and brush, the grease and oil is broken up and removed. Here's what it looks like after treatment. No solvents, no oils, no phosphates. No soaps, no odor, no fragrances. It is non-flammable and the ingredients are inert, and no glycerin. OXO Super Clean is clean and green. Your concrete floors are looking great and ready for the Oxycrete system solution. We rehabilitate and protect your concrete. We are OXO H2O Solutions. Visit us at oxoh2o.com.